So, hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So, in this lecture, we're gonna solve a LeetCode problem, single number. So, in this problem, they have given two arrays. The first array is A1, the array is 2, 2, 1, and the second array is A2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, in the first array, 2 is repeated 2 times, and the 1 is repeated 1 time. So, our output should be 1. And in the second array, 1 is repeated 2 times, and 2 is repeated 2 times, and 4 is repeated only once. So our output should be 4. So this problem actually is, in the given array, the number which is only repeated once, that should be our final output. So how can we solve this question? To solve this question, we need to know an operator named XOR operator. This is the symbol for this operator. So the first rule of this operator is A XOR A is equal to 0, where A is any number. It can be real number, it can be natural number, it can be whole number. And the second rule is A XOR 0 is A, means thus any number is XOR operated with 0, it gonna result the same number. And the third rule is A XOR B XOR A. This can be written as A XOR A XOR B. As I mentioned earlier, when the XOR operated with both same numbers, it gonna result 0. And 0 XOR operated with any number, it gonna result the same number. That means the answer is 0. This is known as the cumulative property of XOR operator. So using these three rules, we're gonna solve this problem. So let's take our first array, that is 2, 2, 1. Now we need to do XOR operator for every number in this array. 2 XOR 2 XOR 1. This becomes 0, and 0 XOR 1 equal to 0. 0 XOR 1, it becomes 1. So second array, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. We need to do XOR operator for every number. So 4 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 1 XOR 2. This can be written as 4 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 2. So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. So this can be written as 4 XOR 0. This also becomes 0. This can be written as 4 XOR 0, that equal to 4. So this is the logic to solve this question. So let me write the algorithm. So let me make the algorithm very simple. So first we need to declare a variable result which is initially equal to 0. We need to traverse entire array using XOR operator. So let me write the C code for this problem. C code. So we need to declare result which is initially equal to 0. We need a for loop to traverse the array. Let us declare I equal to 0 initially. I should be less than the array size. Let me size array size, and I should be incremented. And result should be equal to result XOR array element. Let's take array is num and I. So array, let's take example equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the array size is 5. So array 0 equal to 1 and array G1 equal to 2. So like that, the num I will be incremented until I is less than array size. So we will return the result. So this is our code. So let us now type in the LeetCode. So now we are at the LeetCode web page. So this is our problem. So this is example number 1, as I mentioned earlier. So this is our code. I already typed here. So I declared a function named single number. This is already initially given. I declared int result equal to 0. I used a for loop. Int I equal to 0. I is less than array size, means I declared here num size because initially given num size, and I is incremented. Result XOR equal to num I, and it is closed, and result is and return result. So let us run this code. So successfully have run the code. There is no error. Hope this video is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. If you really like my videos, like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So see you guys in the next one.